Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure MemberPress for WordPress subscriptions and upgrades, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start configuring MemberPress for WordPress subscriptions and upgrades, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the MemberPress menu on the left sidebar. Select the Options tab to set global preferences for your MemberPress installation. Under the General tab, configure the currency and payment methods you wish to accept. Scroll down to the email section to customize notifications for users about their memberships. Next, head to the Memberships tab to create a new membership level. Click on the Add New button. Enter a name for your membership level, such as monthly subscription or annual subscription. Set a description that outlines the benefit. In the price field, input your desired subscription fee. Choose the billing type from options like one-time or recurring, depending on your needs. Specify the billing interval, such as monthly or annually. Scroll down to set up access rules for this membership level. Under the Access Conditions section, decide which content will be restricted. Save your changes by clicking the Publish button. Now head to the Rules tab to create rules for access control. Click the Add New button to create a new rule. Choose the content type you wish to restrict, such as specific posts or pages. Under the Content field, select the items that will be protected by your subscription. In the Access dropdown, select the corresponding membership level. Save the rule by clicking the Save Rule button. Next, navigate to the Memberships tab again to create additional membership levels as needed. To enable upgrades, head back to the Options tab. Look for the Account section and enable the upgrade feature. Save any changes you make. To allow users to easily upgrade their memberships, go to the Memberships section. Edit existing membership levels and check for upgrade paths if applicable. Now, consider setting up payment gateways. Navigate to the Payments tab in the MemberPress menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.